Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to print a calendar of a specific month, and also we are going to see how to print the full calendar of a specific year using Python. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to import calendar module. So import calendar, and I'm going to execute this cell. If in case while importing this module if it throws an error, then what I want you guys to do is, if you are using Windows, then go to command prompt. If you are using Mac OS, then go to terminal and type pip install calendar. This is going to install calendar module in your PC. Now that we have installed the calendar module and also we have imported, what I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize two variables. First variable is month, and I'm going to take the input from the user. So int input, enter the month, and second variable I'm going to initialize is year. So year int input, enter the year. Okay. So the reason why I have placed input function inside int is because by default the input function will take the input from the user as string. We need to convert that string into integer type. Okay, so this is called typecasting. We need to convert that string into integer type. That's the reason why I have placed this input function inside int. So that is going to convert that string into integer type, and after that I'm going to print, and I'm going to call this calendar, and off of which I'm going to call the month function. So month, and it is going to take two arguments. The first argument which is it is going to take is year, and second argument is month. Okay, month. Okay, so before executing I'll also print dotted lines. Print, I'm going to print these dotted lines. Okay, and now the coding part is over. Let us execute this program and let us see. Let us give the input as 5th month of year 2021, and here we can see it has printed May 2021's calendar. Okay, now if you want to print the whole calendar of any year like 2021, 2022, it will print that. So now once again what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this variable and paste it here. Since we have already imported a calendar module, we don't have to import it once again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to print and call this. I'm going to copy and paste the same line over here. Okay, paste. Instead of calling month, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call calendar function, calendar method or function, whatever you want to call it, and it just takes one argument. We don't have to pass month as we are printing the whole year. Okay, and before executing this cell, I'll also print some dotted lines just to separate this above input functions message. Okay, now let us execute this. So it is asking me to enter the year. I'm going to enter 2022, and here we can see it has printed the whole calendar of year 2022. You can give any year. Now let us give year 2025. It is going to print out the calendar of year 2025. Okay, so it has printed the whole year of whole calendar of year 2025. So this is how you print calendar using Python. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care and be safe.